Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Most of you are already familiar with academic journal quartile rankings like Q1 and Q2, right? Which we usually find through Web of Science or journal citation reports. In this video, I will introduce a simple tool called Excitation Extension that helps you quickly view these rankings directly on Google Scholar. First, you need to add the Excitation extension to your Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to the Chrome Web Store or simply search Excitation Extension. You may click the first or the second one, and the Add to Chrome button will be visible here. Click it. You need to give permission. The extension will install in a few seconds, and you will see the excitation icon in the right top corner of your Chrome browser. Let's see how it's work in Google Scholar. Now go to Google Scholar and search for any papers or topic you are interested in. Okay, I already had searched for mid quality. Let's see the related papers available in Google Scholar. See, interesting. The journal rankings already available. It's display close to the paper title. This is Q1, and CQ2. And also, some papers or books do not display the rankings. It's most likely that they are not indexed in GCR. Additionally, you can see someone researcher profiles, Google Scholar author profiles, and see their papers quality based on the journal rankings. For example, let's see my own profiles. This is my Google Scholar profile. See, the papers are visible here based on the percentage. Like 50% of my papers are Q1s and 25% are Q2, and the rest 9% are NA. They are uh, papers that are not indexed in GCR. That's it. Save times, find better papers, and follow for more quick tips like that. Thank you.